So you want to improve your pushing strength for body weight exercises. You've come to the right place. Today what I'm going to do is I'm going to cover 5 things that you can do that are going to help you right away. Now these are going to seem like super simple things. And the cool thing is they are. And that's the beauty of it. All you need to do is apply 1, 2, hell, even all these, and I guarantee you it's going to improve your pushing strength. So without further ado, let's get into it. All right, so the first thing that we're going to take a look at is what's going on with your elbows. Let's take the push-up, for example. Now, typically when people are performing the push-up, I see that they have their elbows out here and they're pushing like this, all right? It's not helping you. It's going to put strain on the shoulders. Instead of doing that, pull the elbows in close to your body. Now what this is going to do is it's going to allow you to incorporate the rest of your body more efficiently. And by doing that, it's going to improve your pushing strength. And in the very beginning, what you're probably going to find is that when you pull your elbows in, you might shrug your shoulders up. You might not even know you're doing it. Take a video of yourself, see what's going on, go back, check out that video. You might be shrugging your shoulders. Don't shrug your shoulders. So when you pull those elbows in, keep the shoulders pulled down. This motion is going to be stronger. It's going to allow you to get stronger in that push-up, and therefore by creating a solid base, it's going to help you for when you move into more advanced pushing exercises. Now we need to look at the rest of the body, and that's the second cue that I want you to focus on, and that is to squeeze your entire body from the core all the way down to your toes. Now let's take a look at that push-up again. So when you're in the top of the push-up position, you want to focus on squeezing your core, squeezing your butt, squeezing your legs, squeezing your heels together, and keeping that position the entire time that you're performing your push-up as you keep your elbows close to your body. Now the reason for this is that tighter is lighter, and what I mean is that the better that you can control the body and keep it tight throughout the position, the better your form is going to be. Therefore, it's going to help you to get stronger and perform more, if you would like, push-ups. This is also going to have a great carryover in getting you stronger so that when you're starting to work on more advanced pushing positions, you'll know exactly what's going on in your body and you can make those adjustments right away in order to help you to get even stronger in those more advanced movements. So in that second cue, I asked you to squeeze your body and hold that position. This is focusing on awareness. And the third cue is actually taking that awareness and seeing what's going on during the movement. The best way to do that is slow it down. This is going to help you right away to get stronger. Yes, it's going to be more difficult in the beginning, but by focusing on keeping your elbows in, squeezing your body, and then slowing it way down, you're going to improve your pushing strength. And today's video, I'm referencing the push-up, but this can be applied to any pushing movement out there. Start in the top of the push-up, squeezing your body, keeping your elbows in, slowly, slowly, slowly lower yourself to the ground. Pause at the bottom. Now on your way back in, don't let the form change. Make sure that you're keeping your elbows in, you're squeezing your core, your butt, your legs, your toes, driving into the ground, squeezing everything together as you slowly return to the top position. You're going to find that this is going to be a game changer. It's really going to help to improve your pushing strength. One other thing that you can do to help improve your pushing strength is focus on variance. Different ways of doing the push-up is going to help you to improve your strength. One thing that I really like to do is what's called the Spider-Man. The other thing too is in the plank position to simply lean the body forward so that the shoulders are past the hands, and keeping that tight position and keeping the elbows in, slowly lowering myself to the ground, pausing slightly before I push right back up, making sure to keep my shoulders beyond my fingers, leaning forward the entire time I'm doing that. So last but not least is to take that push-up off of the ground, perform them on the parallettes, or even better yet, the rings. I love the rings. Because the rings are not stable at all, it's going to force you to really keep things in tight and to really work the inner muscles instead of the larger muscles that you can typically just only find yourself focusing on when you're performing the push-up on the ground. The rings really force you to work at keeping your form. Remember, keep the elbows in, squeeze your entire body, perform the movement slowly. Doesn't matter where you're doing it, focus on doing that. It's gonna help with your pushing strength. All right, so those were just 5 tips to help you with your pushing strength. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know if you have any questions and leave a comment. Also, be sure to subscribe so that you don't miss any of our upcoming videos.